This is Aaron Trader. It is Friday morning now. I'm going to have a short day today. The market closes there at 1, and then there'll be some aftermarket trading there, probably to about the 4 level. Okay. So, as usual, we're going to look over here at crude oil and natural gas. But first, we're going to take a look here at Bitcoin, BTC. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, selling stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have Bitcoin. Now, I did some videos on here from way back, if you want to look here. And this was the level that I was talking about right here, okay? This was here that was that 74,415 level, okay? So I said once you break out of that, then you're going to be heading towards that 100,000 mark, and obviously we want just a hair above it. Okay, so when you look at a chart pattern like this, okay, see how it goes sideways, and for the longer period of time, what it does is it builds energy. And when she breaks hard and right up to that 100K, just a hair above it. Now, again, when a new administration comes in, they're going to be doing something very probably unique with Bitcoin because I think they're going to actually, like embrace it kind of a situation. They're going to regulate it, but I think they're also going to embrace it and make it almost like a part like of a gold situation. Okay, so I think this could go much higher here over time. So if you're trading Bitcoin, just get prepared. There's going to be some wild moves, but I think she's going to be an upper move here once you break above this 100,000, 170. Okay, so there isn't really much resistance here on the upside. Let's take a look at the upside first. So what you want to watch here is a 98,775. Okay, then we'll come to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 99,275. And then we'll come up here, 99,575, and then we have your big 100, 170. Now, again, if you break above this, then your next target is going to be 100,000, 110,000. Okay, that just reality is where that's going to go. That'll be the next. Now, again, I'm not saying it's going to happen like that, but we have to see what if it gets up into that area, what the reaction is going to be. Is it going to go right back up here and blow through there, or it's going to have bounce back and come down here sideways to down action? Okay, on the downside here, what you just really want to watch is this 8-day, 95,836. That's going to be very, very key. Then we can come to the top of this candle here, looking at 95,225. Okay, and then we can come to the bottom of this candle. You're looking at 93,490. And then we'll come down here. You're looking at 91,475. And then we have that nice retest down here at 97,85 level. Okay. Now, there is a gap that I do want to show you. So, in case this does sell off and it's like a, buy the rumor, sell the news situation. Okay. First of all, you have this 21-day at that 86,359. But this is what you want to watch right here. Look at the bottom of this candle is 80,670. Okay. There's your gap. And then we want to look to the top here at 77,930. Okay. Your gap in your field. These provide very, very good support levels here if this sells off. And then obviously always look to the left of the chart here, that's 77,140, and then right here at that 74,485. That was your breakout. Okay, so she went right on up here, made that higher high that we had on the left there, and then this is the breakout candle where she ripped right on up here. But right now, this 8-day is going to be very, very critical, and the recent low at that 97.85. And then upside, again, just watch that 98,775, and just take the candles right across here. Okay, that 99,275, 99,575, and then that 100,760. You go to 110,000 here. That would be the next level if you can close above it. That's the key. Not spike above it like we had here, but just close above this. Then she can rip much higher. Now, right here, we're at the nosebleed section. We're way above that 70, but this does show very, very good strength also here. So, okay, so. That's what we have to watch out for. So again, you really want to always watch this RSI because if this starts rallying up here and you get above that 1,170, but you can't get matched what we have going on here, then we're going to have a negative divergence. But right now, that's not is what's happening. Okay, now this here, your green and red, you're pretty much sideways action. So it's not really telling you much. The green is still above the red, so the momentum is still to the upside. So if you're trading this, watch that 100,000, 170. That's going to be the key breakout. Okay, let's take a look here now at crude oil and natural gas. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart. Now you can see we had this big red candle here, and then it looks like we might have a possible peace agreement. Okay, the key word here is possible. Okay, so realistically, what you're looking at is they kind of shook hands between Israel and the Iran situation, but you still have that outstanding thing with Russia and Ukraine. So we don't know how this is all going to shake out. Now, once we get this new administration in, we got to see how this is going to shake out. Okay, so hopefully we can just talk this down and get some peace going on there and get life going again, okay? But we'll see. Okay, so you can see we just have some sideways action here, okay? So here's Wednesday high. We had 69.37. Today we had a high of 69.30. So we're pretty much, we have an inside day again. Okay, so upside, you can see where this 8-day, okay, this is why you trade the charts right into that 8-day, right into that 8-day, can't get above it. So this is going to be very, very key. 69.35, that's going to be big time resistance on the upside. And then we're going to be looking at here at 69.60. That's going to be very, very key on is the 21 simple moving average. And then we'll look here to the top of this candle here, okay, which you got 69.96. We'll look right here to the top of this candle here, 70.30, and then 70.54. That's going to be the big resistant level. Get above that. We looked right to the top here. Okay, you're looking at 71.51. Then we'll come here, 72.25, and then we're going to have this 100-day, 72.74, and then we have 72.88. Now, you notice that 100-day now is below that top of that price channel, which is basically that candle. So this is on the way down. This is all basically sideways. It doesn't really know what to do kind of a situation. Now, downside is obviously just watch today's low here, but the key one is going to be right here, okay? 68.05. This is what you really want to watch. That's going to be your key support level here. Now, again, if that is lost there, then what we can do is we can come down here, 67.28. We have 66.82 and 66.53. That's going to be your big retest if this comes down. Now, again, if that does not hold, okay, then we're going to look to the bottom of this candle here, 66.33. We have 65.63, and then your retest down there at 65.27. Now, a seasonality chart, when you look at those, realistically, you want to buy this here the first week of December, run it up the first couple of days there of January, but we got to see how that all shakes out because, you know, it's over a 20-year period, but this year here with the election year, sometimes that changes it. So for today, just watch that 8-day. Okay, you get above that, you got the 21-day, you get above that, you got the 50-day. Very, very simple. Downside, watch just the bottom of this candle, 68.05. That's what you're going to be trading against. If you lose that, then we can follow the candles down, but there's going to be your target right there at that 66.53. Now, 44, not really telling us much here. Okay, that has room to run down, room to run up. This here, your green is just like Bitcoin. It's just like pinched straight together here. Doesn't really know what to do here. But we got a sideways action. So there's probably not really a whole lot of movement going on there today. But let's see. We'll find out. Okay, now here we have the old natty gas here. You can see here we had that big red candle there on we had this contract roll complete. Okay, so we had that big red candle, but now you look at this candle here, we are actually back above that 8-day. Very, very nice. Okay, so let's look at the upside. So what you want to watch is today's high, that 334 level. Okay, that's going to be key. Then we'll come here to the bottom of this candle, 339. Then we'll look to the top there at 347. And then we have 3.52 level and then 3.56. That's going to be your big resistant level. And if it gets up to there, we have to see what it does. Does it blow through? Or does it come down sideways and we trade this range again between the 8-day and this price channel? So that's how we have to see. Now, downside, obviously you want to watch today's low, 3.17 level, okay? And then what we can do is we can come right to the left of the chart here. This has everything that you're going to need to know. The next level is going to be 3.15. We have 3.13. We have 3.09. And then we can come over to the top of this candle. You got 3.05. We have 3 flat. And then we're going to have this 2.96. But right now, that 8-day is holding. So this is still very, very good. Even though it comes below, just like it did here, as long as that price holds that 8-day, this is still very, very good to run higher. Okay? So today, watch that 8-day. Very, very key. If that's lost, watch today's low. And obviously, if that's lost, we just follow the candles down till you get your down to 2.96. Upside, watch today's high. And then we just follow the candles up. But there's your big target is going to be that 3.56. So we'll see if we can do some scalping here today, maybe in UNG. And if it goes down, we'll take the KOLD. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. Okay, that's what I got for you. And I'll be back here for midday trading. We're going to have one more video here today because we've got a shortened day here. But remember, just kind of trade small. Just kind of relax. So we come out Monday, we'll be fresh and we'll be shooting. Trade what's in front of you, not what you want.